Simple steps to becoming a professional day trader. Now, if you're skeptical of this title, you're already one step ahead of the game. And that's because it's not simple. So ignore that part of the title. All right, so here's the steps. You have to learn to focus on in-play stocks. For years, I would see a beautiful 6-month cup and handle, or inverse head and shoulders, all these chart patterns you learn, right? Maybe over the last 3 months, you've got a beautiful inverse head and shoulders or a head and shoulders. And so I would say to myself, well, this is a beautiful setup. If that stock isn't in play, recent news, right? Extra high relative volume in the past week or so, I don't care how pretty that pattern is, you're probably the only one watching it, and it's probably not going to play out. So before you focus on the in-play stocks, you got to learn how to find them. All right, once you have in-play stocks on your charts, on your monitors in front of you, you have to patiently wait for low-risk intraday setups. And this is where, for lack of a better way to put it, most people suck. They always feel like they have to be in a trade. You're not making money if you're sitting in cash, right? I would counter that with, guess what? You're not losing money either, all right? So learn to wait for low-risk intraday setups. It's the hardest part probably for most people. Then, when you see one, you only enter at the exact moment where you're going to be green right away. Now that sounds like, well, how the hell do you know that? Using level 2 when it meshes with the chart, level 2 and the chart line up, and you're at maybe add to that maybe an inflection point and 2 potential catalysts for higher prices just above based on the chart, right? So when you get several things lining up, maybe that combines with a whole number and a big seller being taken out right at that same point. And this is where, going back to that last slide, this is where it takes patience waiting for these things to occur. All right, that's not easy. You got to view it like a sniper, right? You only attack when the things line up. So you've got the in-play stock, you've got that perfect setup, you enter right at that perfect point. Now you have to scale out into the move. Once you start taking partial profits, then you protect your entry. I would say, to be dramatic, I would say protect your entry with your life, right? In other words, don't let a winning trade turn into a losing trade. Now, if you did everything right, in-play stock entered correctly based on all the factors I just gave you, and you don't get the move you were expecting, you just get back out. No question at all. You just get back out, and then you do these things over and over and over. To do this right, it requires, and this is why it's not easy, it requires unrelenting discipline and patience. Most people can't do that. So again, back to the title, Simple Steps to Becoming a Professional Day Trader. It's not simple. But if it is absolutely there for the taking if you just commit yourself to it.